Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Nike stock, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, start by researching Nike as a company. Look into its history, brand value, and market position. Familiarize yourself with Nike's financial performance over recent years. Visit financial news websites and look for Nike's annual reports. Next, understand the stock market basics. Know what stocks are and how they are traded. Learn about stock exchanges, particularly the NYSE where Nike is listed. Consider using an online brokerage platform to invest. Research different platforms to find one that suits your needs. Check for fees, user interface, and available resources. Open an account on your chosen brokerage platform. Prepare to provide personal information and financial details. Fund your account by linking a bank account or using a credit card. Once your account is funded, search for Nike's stock ticker symbol, Nike. Review current market trends and stock prices for Nike. Analyze charts and graphs to understand price movements. Decide how many shares you want to purchase. Consider your budget and investment strategy. Place a buy order for Nike shares through your brokerage platform. Select either a market order or a limit order based on your preference. A market order will buy at the current price, while a limit order allows you to set your own price. After your purchase, monitor your investment regularly. Stay updated on Nike's business performance and market conditions. Set a long-term investment goal to guide your future decisions. Be patient and allow your investment time to grow. Consider diversifying your portfolio over time. This can help manage risk and enhance potential returns. Educate yourself continuously about investing and market trends. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.